Good morning, KG3. I am Miss Yasmin, and this is your new lesson, Unit 3, Lesson 1, Correct Use. Today, inshallah, we will learn how we will use the computer. We will start from the objectives. Inshallah, in the end of this lesson, students will be able to use mouse correctly and use also the computer correctly. Let's see page number 20 together. Look here. Look here, he is using the mouse correctly in this picture and here incorrectly. Look, he have to hold the mouse in this way. The hand should be straight like that. And this is about the mouse. What about how to sit? Look, his back is straight. This one sitting correctly. But this one his back not straight, that one will hurt himself, his back. So you have to sit like this. And look here in this picture, the hands up and here the hands down. So he will hurt himself. So you have to use the mouse like that and don't use the mouse like that. You have to sit like that and don't sit like that. This is the first page. Now let's go to watch this video together. The correct use of the computer. Do you think this woman sits correctly? No, she's not. She is hurting her back and her legs. Now let's fix this. The back. Yes, and now the legs. Now she is sitting correctly. What about this man? Do you think he is sitting correctly? No, he is hurting his neck. Now we will fix that. Yes, like this. And he should look straight to the computer. Is this girl sitting correctly? No, she is not. She is hurting her hands. Okay, now she's sitting correctly, but look, she sits a long time beside her laptop. She must leave the device for a while. She have to do any exercise. My lovely students, you have to keep yourself safe. Now we will go to page 21 to solve this exercise together. Look here. We have a lot of pictures. I will ask you one by one about the first picture. What do you think? He is using the computer correctly? He is sitting correctly or no? Yes, of course. This one he is sitting correctly. So this one correct. What about this? He is using the mouse correctly or no? No, of course. Look, the hands go down. He will hurt his hand. So you have to use the mouse correctly like that. This is X. Okay, what about this girl? She lay and she is using the laptop. Look, she hurt the back, she hurt the hands, she hurt the eyes. So she have to sit correctly. This one not correctly. Okay, what about this boy? Yes, his back is straight. He is looking to his computer in the straight direction. Excellent. This one, he is using the computer in the correct way. Okay. What about this one? No, of course, he hurt his back and also he hurt his leg. So this one not using the computer correctly. Okay, what about this one? Yes, the hand straight. This is the correct way how to use the mouse. Okay, try to solve it all of you in your book. Try to write the correct answer. Thank you, my lovely student, for listening. Thank you for watching. See you next week and bye bye.